Kiumia kimwe thutha wa itoi gutharikira nyumba ya andu state D2 mwena wa Riverside guku Nairobi na mihango ya gwethana aria manyitire itemi tharikira-ini ino gukorwo igithie na mbere, thirikari ni yugite akenya na ageni aria mariceraga guku bururi-ini ni mekwandikithio mutambo-ini wa kiriu uria urikoragwo na maundu moothe megii mundu.
My administration will complete a central master population database which will be the authentic single source of truth on personal identity in Kenya, and this database will contain information on all Kenyan citizens as well as foreign nationals residing in our republic.
Rungu rwa mutambo uyu ndeto ya mundu wothe rionekaga kugera na mbere ari heagwo na rirutaga maundu mothe mamwegie.
For each registration, the National Integrated Identity Management System, better referred to as NIMS, will generate a unique identification number that will be known as the Huduma number. The county commissioners will provide oversight and coordinate the execution of the Huduma number related activities in your respective counties.
Ikinya riri rikioneka riria gutengeria mihango iri irathiaga na mbere ya kwandikithia Kenya mutaratara-ini wa kiriu wa kumakurana aria itemi-ini ria kurwa na itoi na wiki na bururi-ini. Mutambo uyu gitanyo kuhuthika hari gwethana aria maugumagia kigina kia muingi.
I hereby direct that all regional commissioners, county commissioners, police commanders to treat gatekeeping, rent seeking, fraud and misuse of resources as a threat to the unity, well-being and security of our nation. Do not expect and wait to be directed. It is your responsibility to take action.
President uria kwaragia hindi ya gikaro na anene a borithi na arugameria icigo ngurani guothe bururi-ini mwena wa gicua-ini ni amarutire mukana wa kunyitanira kungumania kigina kia muingi, akiuga o nio maitho ma thirikari icigo-ini iria marugamirire.
I expect you to protect public resources and to protect them as if they were your own. Kenyans expect no less from all of us.
Na rita njira ya kugacirithia uruti wa wira kuri muingi, President ni athite ministry ciothe kurutithania wira ta uria honge itiganite cia ugitiri ciranyitanire hindi ya tharikira ya Riverside niguo gukinyiria Wanjiku motungata na ihenya. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitaka Mau wa Mwangi.